Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and I'm here just to do a quick flip through of a journal I just finished. And I did the first journal called The Calligrapher's Garden using Lorna, who is Tailor Made Journals on Etsy, a while back. And the kit was just so full of everything, papers, ephemera, all that, that I wanted to do another journal. So I called this one the Calligrapher's Garden too. I didn't know what else to call it, but I kind of like that. So anyway, this is it. This is the front cover, and this is the back cover. And the cover itself was made by Susan Taylor Brown, and I purchased a few covers from her, and this is the last one I have. And I love the colors in it. So thank you, Susan. So anyway, I'll show you what I did. I went around the whole edging with this trim here, and all the appliques on here are from Crafty Me Shop, and that's the Facebook group that I designed for. And you can only buy from the shop if you are in the group. And I'll put a link in the description box for both Lorna's Etsy shop and Crafty Me Shop on Facebook. So anyways, here's a piece of one applique there in lavender. And then down here, I used some appliques that I had cut in pink. And then this applique here, I cut down to fit the bottom of the journal. And to me, I don't know, this part looks like, I just think of a peacock feathers. And then, this beautiful flower here. It's just a gorgeous applique. So, and then I used the seam binding. The tie did come with the journal, but like the other journal, it was from top to bottom, and I just changed it to the sides just to keep it closed, because I tend to make my journals a little chunky. So you open it up, and then here's the inside, and I added this funky little trim to the sides, and then this is actually a pocket, and it's the same on the back here, another pocket. And this is a little insert that I made, and I'll show you quick. I used some pink seam binding to keep it closed, and it's actually like a large envelope, and that I made it into, and I used a smaller envelope that I cut down, excuse me, to use as a pocket, and then there's some ephemera inside. And then I use this as a tuck spot, and here's some more Crafty Me, and there's Inspire, and then you open it up, and here's another side pocket, another envelope with some goodies in there, and this flower trim here along the side, and this little flower I made from a by the yard trim, and then another pocket and some more ephemera in there. So there's that, and I'm just going to put this aside. I can put this back together after the video. Excuse me, sorry. The air quality outside is really bad today, and I had to take my granddaughter to work, and just allergies are really bad. But anyways, here's this. I don't believe this is Edith Holden. I know there's one other that the book is, I think, is similar to hers. But here's a page from that, and I added this lace trim and then the little flower appliques, which are also Crafty Me. And then this first page here, I made into a double pocket. There's a pocket here and a pocket there with some, and these are all, everything I put in can be journaled on the back. So there's that page. And then I left this page blank in case whoever gets it wants to write or put some photos or whatever in. I just thought somebody might want to use it like as a garden, even a regular garden journal. Here's a piece from a ledger. I believe this is from a book though, showing you how to, it's like a bookkeeping book. And then here's another pocket, and here's an envelope that I just did a little embellishing on. This I don't believe is crafted, from Calligrapher's Garden, though I did use a few pieces from from other kits, and I just added this little heart trim down the bottom, and there's some ephemera inside. And then here's a page and another page to write on, and then the chocolate, the stamping. I'll also put an Etsy link to Christina and Patrick Hill's Etsy shop, because they have tons of beautiful stamps to choose from. And I left this page blank. It's just so beautiful, the calligraphy and everything. I just didn't want to cover it up. And then here's some music. Here's an envelope and another page that I basically didn't want to cover up. And then here's some line journaling. Here's that I don't have much left, but here's another page from that ledger with the blue paper from Patty Lang, and she's always in my description box, from Sacred Mementos. And it's just, the calligraphy on this is just beautiful also. Here's another one of Christina's stamps. I should probably hold it up a little more. And then I made this, I don't know what this is, but it's not really holding too well. I'm going to think of something to put here so that they can't go any further. Maybe like a little piece of like a pop dot or something. But there's some more tags for journaling. And then I added this little fabric here. It's the ruffle fabric, and some more of that yellow flower trim from Crafty Me. And then here's a tuck spot, more journaling. There's lots of journaling cards in here and tags in that. And then here's another one of those pages. And then here's another. This isn't actually an envelope. It's one of those that you just bring down and you can write in it. But I just really loved this paper. This kit is probably one of the hardest kits that I've used, that I had such a hard time covering up the beautiful pages. Here's more journaling. Here's some more beautiful ephemera, calligraphy, but it's in, I don't even know, I can't even say, I want to say, I don't think it's German, and I don't believe it's French either. And here it's from 1886, and this is original. I don't copy, even if it's out of copyright. I don't copy. And then here's another page, and here's another one of those like side pockets. And then this is just, it's like I forget what you call this, and then you can put whatever you want underneath and it kind of hides it. And this is from Abby Purple Cottage Crafts, and she did some slow stitching She had sent me some a while back, and this is the last piece I have. So I wanted to add it to the journal. And here's another piece of calligraphy. This, I think, was in a kit, and I'm not sure if it was Lorna's, but it had to do with letters, and this is from 1886. So where, this isn't an original because it was part of the kit. Okay, and then I did some more there's some more ruffles here, and I got those from an Etsy shop, and I can't remember the name of it, but if I can remember, I'll go back and look, and I'll put a link to that also. I learned her shop from Gail Augustinelli. So there's another envelope in a pocket. And then this is the middle of the signature. This was also from the calligrapher's kit, and it's just beautiful with the rose. I hope I'm staying in frame because I'm not looking at my screen. And then here's another beautiful page. Oh, it's just beautiful. And there's the other half of that calligraphy. Here's another one of Christina's stamps. I think I have 8 of them now. They're just beautiful. Another piece. I got the fabric pieces from the Etsy shop, but then I put the flowers over them. I don't have an attachment on my sewing, from my sewing machine to be able to do this myself. And she has beautiful pieces, and I think they're usually like 11 or 12 inches long, and you can cut them to whatever size you want to. So here's another pocket. Another side pocket. I wanted to add a lot of pockets and tags and journaling cards to this. I just thought if somebody wanted to use it for for like their garden and keep track for the summer, they need a lot of journaling pieces. I like to add a lot of journaling to all my journals anyway. Does that sound right? I'm not sure. Okay, so here's another journaling page. Here's another envelope. Here's a piece of copy dyed paper. The rest of that blue ledger. Look at the writing on that. It's just amazing. I think I'm going to have to keep one last piece, though. I don't think I can let it go because it's just beautiful. And then here's another tuck spot. And another page. There's the rest of that music. This I didn't make into anything. I just added it to the page. And then here's another one of those. This stays in a little better. I don't know why, but I'm going to think to add something to the bottom of that also. And then the last journaling page, I think, says dream. Another pocket. Dragonflies, one of my favorites. Botanical. It would be good for photos or images. And then another double pocket. And look at these. They're just, this is one of my all-time favorite kits. Well, it's my favorite kit from Lorna so far. And then here's the last page, and I did it like the first page with the lace and the flowers. So there, that's it. That's Calligrapher's Garden 2. If you'd like, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Oh, I'm not going to tie that back up because I have to put this back in here. Yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll be back again soon, hopefully with another crafting video. I have something in mind to do, and rather than go live and do it, I think I'll do it by video. So I hope everyone has a great day, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.